What you need to know about artichokes' health benefits. Hello there, viewers. Do you enjoy artichokes? Most people have a polarizing relationship with this vegetable. They either adore it or despise it to where even seeing it makes them want to vomit. If you can't stomach artichoke, give this video another look. Today, we'll look at the top 8 health advantages of artichokes and artichoke extracts. They're overflowing with minerals and antioxidants, aren't they? Can these leafy green veggies really aid in the prevention of cancer? Is this vegetable leafy good for your cholesterol and blood pressure? 1. Artichokes are healthy. Artichokes are high in vitamins and minerals, with one raw artichoke weighing around 128 grams and containing less than a gram of fat. Artichokes are also high in antioxidants. Artichokes are loaded with vitamin C and K, as well as folate, which are essential for bodily function. They're composed of important minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. If you consume one medium-sized artichoke, you'll get 7 grams of fiber. This accounts for more than a quarter of your daily recommended fiber intake. Fiber lowers cholesterol, as well as prevents heart disease and digestive disorders. 2. Fight cancer cells. One study has found that artichoke juice inhibits the growth of cancer cells, breast cancer cells. Other studies have shown that artichokes suppress colon, lung, liver, and stomach cancer cells. 3. High in fiber. Artichokes are high in fiber, which is great for your digestive system and prevents intestinal disorders such as diarrhea, constipation, and bloating. They help lower blood glucose levels because of their fiber content. They also contain a special chemical called cynarin that helps increase bile production in the gallbladder. This chemical also stimulates the appetite and improves digestion by increasing bile production. 4. Prevents gallstones. Artichokes are high in fiber, which aids in preventing gallstones because it helps eliminate bile acids from the body. These bile acids can cause gallstones to form, so consuming artichoke extracts or eating whole artichokes prevents them from developing. 5. Prevents digestive disorders. Artichoke juice can prevent and heal various digestive disorders, such as acid reflux, hemorrhoids, IBS, bloating, and flatulence. In a study conducted on mice with ulcerative colitis, an extract of artichoke flowers was given to the mice as a treatment for their disease. The artichoke extract treatment showed positive results by inhibiting inflammation and mucosal damage. 6. Strengthens bones. Artichokes contain a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that strengthen bones. They contain a decent amount of calcium, which is essential for healthy bones and teeth because it helps our body absorb phosphorus. Phosphorus is important for strong bones and teeth, because one needs the support of calcium to strengthen them. 7. Healthy heart. Artichokes are low in fat, sodium, and cholesterol. They're also full of potassium, which aids in lowering blood pressure by balancing electrolytes within cells throughout your body. The high calorie content of an artichoke is one of its biggest benefits. An artichoke provides only 60 calories, which is ideal for individuals counting calories. It offers 4 grams of protein, which is far more than most other plant-based meals. Do you like to eat artichokes alone or with other vegetables? Artichokes are high in flavonoids, some of which can help to lower bad cholesterol. Artichoke leaves contain chemicals that reduce cholesterol levels in the body. In a study of 700 participants, taking the extract every day for 5 to 13 weeks reduced blood cholesterol levels. For 6 weeks, 143 persons who had elevated cholesterol were given 300 milliliters of extract. After 6 weeks, their LDL cholesterol levels were lowered by 30%. Lipid-lowering agents are used to reduce high cholesterol levels. The participants showed a reduction in both total cholesterol and LDL, or bad cholesterol. They reduced by 18 and 22%. Artichokes have long been recognized for this role, and recent evidence shows that artichoke extracts contain the active hypolipidemic components. These compounds are in the leaves of the plant. Artichokes are an excellent food choice for those looking to lose weight, as they are low in calories and high in water content. Research has shown that artichokes leaves may help reduce body fat levels. Artichokes provide an excellent source of fiber, which slows down the digestive process, so you stay. The added benefit of taking this extract is that it also increases the HDL, or good cholesterol, levels in your body. There's a specific antioxidant found in artichokes, which regulates your blood cholesterol levels. This antioxidant helps prevent the formation of cholesterol. It also helps process the cholesterol in your body. As a result, your overall cholesterol goes down. 8. Regulates blood pressure. Do you suffer from high blood pressure? Artichokes can be good news for you. Taking artichoke extract helps bring it down to a reasonable level. In a study conducted on 100 men with high blood pressure, it was found that having artichoke extract every day for 12 weeks brought it down by about 3 millimeters of mercury. Studies have shown how the extract works on your blood pressure. It promotes the enzyme ENOS, which widens the blood vessels and brings down the blood pressure. Considering artichokes are a significant source of potassium, it's no wonder they can regulate blood pressure. Potassium does that. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Improves liver health. If you take artichoke leaf extract, you can help protect yourself from liver damage. In fact, this extract aids the growth of new tissue. Not just this, artichokes also help the production of bile. Bile removes harmful toxins from your liver. A study on rats found artichoke extract lessened the amount of damage done to the liver. There was less damage in the liver after being given artichoke extract. The liver function in the rats was better even after they were given a larger dose. In a study involving humans suffering from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, it was seen that having 600 milligrams of artichoke extract every day for 2 months improved the way the liver functioned. It's believed the antioxidants in artichokes are the reason you see these particular benefits. Improves digestive health. Remember fiber from a minute ago? Artichokes are high in fiber, which is important for maintaining your digestive health since it promotes healthy gut bacteria, reduces constipation and diarrhea, and lowers the risk of bowel cancer. Artichokes include inulin, a type of fiber that functions to a prebiotic. After participants were given artichoke extract daily for 3 weeks. After about 6 weeks, the group with the extract found that they weren't as gassy as the group with the placebo. A specific compound in artichokes produces bile in the liver and also helps with the digestion of fat. This is the reason artichokes can help with indigestion problems. 6. Eases symptoms of IBS. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, is a digestion-related issue. 11. Artichokes can cause a slew of unpleasant symptoms, such as nausea, bloating, cramps, diarrhea, and flatulence. However, consuming artichoke leaves may help to alleviate these problems. According to the results of a study conducted on individuals with IBS, taking artichoke leaf extract once daily for 6 weeks may aid in the management of IBS. Lessens cholesterol levels and reduces inflammation. High levels of cholesterol are the basis for heart disease. If you have high cholesterol, your risk of heart disease goes up drastically. Symptoms that suggest you might have an issue with your cholesterol levels include chest pain, shortness of breath, and jaw pain on one side. In a study involving rats, it was found that those who were given artichoke leaf extract for 10 days had lower cholesterol levels than those who were given a placebo or nothing at all. The researchers suggested this might have been because the artichokes neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Lessens joint inflammation and helps with arthritis. Artichokes can help with joint pain because of arthritis. Artichoke leaf extract is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which may reduce general aches and pains that come with rheumatoid arthritis. It also helps you digest food better, thanks to the fiber content. The plant cynerin is believed to be responsible for these benefits. Boosts the immune system. Artichoke leaf extract contains cynerin, an antioxidant that's known for its antimicrobial properties. A study on human cells found cynerin had a positive effect on immune system regulation and function. Helps with weight loss. As mentioned a minute ago, artichokes contain a lot of fiber. This is helpful for weight loss since you're able to feel fuller faster and absorb fewer calories from the foods being digested. Another reason these particular vegetables are beneficial in your weight loss efforts is because they have a low glycemic index, which can help you prevent pancreas strain. Artichokes are good for your whole body, including the brain. One of their most powerful components is cynarin, an antioxidant that helps protect against free radicals throughout the entire body. Free radicals contribute to inflammation and cellular damage, neither of which is ideal if you want to look or feel younger. In another study of over 200 people with IBS, those given 1 or 2 capsules of extract every day for 2 months saw a decrease in symptoms by more than a quarter. They also reported a 20% increase in their quality of life. Artichokes have compounds with antispasmodic, antispasmodic properties. These compounds are the reason artichokes can help put a stop to muscle spasms and reduce inflammation in people with IBS. 7. Lowers blood sugar. Artichokes can help lower the blood sugar levels in your body. In a study on overweight adults, having kidney bean and artichoke extract every day for 2 months brought down blood sugar quicker than people given a simple placebo. In another study, eating boiled artichoke as part of your meal showed that blood sugar and insulin levels dropped after 30 minutes. However, this effect was only seen in healthy adults that were not suffering from bad metabolism. While it's not yet understood how artichokes affect blood sugar levels, it's been observed that the extract slows down glucose activity. This could be the reason artichoke is good for lowering blood sugar levels. 17. Anti-cancer effects. Along with other advantages, artichokes are also shown to have anti-cancer effects. Various studies have shown that artichokes can reduce the growth of cancer cells. There are a few antioxidants in artichokes that slow cancer growth. For instance, research has shown that silymarin, a particular antioxidant found in artichokes, can help in the prevention and treatment of skin cancer. If this isn't a good reason to eat more artichoke, I don't know what is. Artichokes are great for your health, but there's another green leafy veggie you should eat daily. We're talking about spinach, a powerhouse of iron. If you love green leafy veggies, that's even better. Go ahead, click one. Or better yet, watch both, and learn more about health and fitness. Do you eat artichokes often? Are you thinking of trying them after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below.